Tired of endless email chains just to find a time that works for everyone? Let's jump right into Doodle, the scheduling superhero that will rescue you from coordination chaos. First, go to Doodle.com and you will be brought to the homepage. To create a new poll, click on the Start a Doodle button, usually found prominently on the homepage. Now enter the title of your meeting or event in the title field. Be clear and concise so everyone knows what they're signing up for. Next, specify the location. This could be a physical address, a conference room name, or a virtual meeting link, like Zoom or Google Meet. Now, the core of Doodle. Select your date and time options. Click on the calendar to pick multiple dates, and then specify the time slots you're proposing. Offer a variety to maximize participation. Before sending out your poll, explore the settings. Setting a deadline is crucial. This creates a sense of urgency and prevents responses from trickling in forever. Finally, enter the email addresses of your participants. Double-check for typos to ensure everyone receives the invitation. Once everyone has voted, Doodle highlights the optimal meeting time based on participant availability. It's scheduling magic. And that's it with Doodle. You can streamline your scheduling process, find the best time for everyone, and get back to what matters most: productive collaboration.